listing has hit the market.
With great power comes great responsibility, and this home gives you the responsibility to be the greatest host on the planet. This yard, massive. This pool, just what the guests ordered. I'm not counting, but let's say your car collection or every guest at your party fits right here. Forget about hanging art. This window frames the pool perfectly. Picasso himself might have moved in. This main suite will have you rethink if getaways are even worth it, because everything you need is right here.
Baby, can you handle it? Handle me.
Enough room for the whole family to claim their own space and still argue who gets the best one. Well, I've got a feeling that your next home looks a lot, well, like this. Make sure you schedule your tour today before someone else does.